Like a chandelier lamp being plugged into the right electrical outlet, you just shine. Can you imagine being made beautifully to harmonize with your environment, only to never be turned on? The beauty that has been designed to glow from within you is not only seen by others, but can be felt by you. Introducing Feminine Rhythm, written by Olive Swan. You operate and live in your full capacity when you are connected and flowing with electricity from the source. This is what it's like to restructure your rhythm to the Creator's. One needs a balance of timing, coordination, and rhythm to do anything well. How much more the divine orchestration of God in our lives. I'm Olive Swan, and I want to restore you to a sacred place in the Lord. You will receive the most out of life as God designed if you yield and submit to His appointed months and life design. This work, Feminine Rhythm, will reorient women to walk in divine timing as God intended and receive the blessings that come from being aligned to God's design. You will play like children, create memorable and pleasurable events, and flow seamlessly into womanhood.